97.1 FM. The defense gets its chance to present their closing argument to the jury in the sex abuse trial of former UCLA gynecologist James Heaps.
The attorney representing Heaps, Leonard Levine, told jurors,
explain to you as to why the evidence in this case does not establish anywhere close to the fact that Dr. Heaps is guilty of these charges. It establishes really that he is innocent.
He pointed to inconsistent statements from at least one alleged victim and examples where he said some lied or misrepresented what they said. Levine noted that Heaps is an oncologist, gynecologist, and did not seek out these patients. They sought him out.
His job was to specialize in treating and finding cancer. And he's being punished, in the sense of being tried here, with doing his job.
According to the prosecution, rather than upholding his Hippocratic oath to do no harm, Heaps used his position as a doctor, as a specialist, to sexually assault all 7 women who were described as incredibly vulnerable. Heaps has pleaded not guilty to 21 felony counts. In downtown LA, Margaret Carrero, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
12:20, time to check your money. Here's Joe Doniger.
As far as Twitter was concerned, its sale to Elon Musk for $44 billion was never off. It sued to get Musk to honor the purchase, and now Musk is back on board. So long, he says in a letter to the social media platform, as he gets debt financing. His lawyers apparently didn't see the court moves ending well. The chip shortage that helped kick off inflation spurred companies to work on bringing chip production to the U.S. Now, Micron says it'll put as much as $100 billion in the next 2 decades to build a factory in upstate New York that'll produce chips for electric vehicles and more. There appears to be a lot of demand for EV. Ford says its EV sales tripled last month, and a California company may be making a prize yet with that. Reuters reports Miso Robotics sells an arm like those used in car plants. 3 big fast food chains use it but don't want to publicize that, afraid people will think robots are taking jobs away from people. We check your money at 20 and 50 after every hour. I'm Bloomberg's Joan Doniger from the California Deluxe Windows Money Desk. News 97.1 FM.
Child molester convicted. The results, who's going to pay a lot of money. More on that coming up for you in about a minute and a half. It's 12:21.
Hey, it's Charles.
And it's Mike.
And as we get closer to electing the next mayor of Los Angeles, if you're like us, you're thinking, hey, we don't know the answers to a lot of questions.
And you're tired of the political nonsense and all of the dodging, so we're going to get those answers.
Yeah, because we're going to have a debate Thursday, 5 o'clock, only on 97.1 FM.
Sponsored by Ultimate. My Health.
Why would a plumber just tell me what it costs to unclog my drain over the phone? Is it that complicated?
No, they obviously have a price.
You've got a nice aroma. Who are you?
Mike Diamond, the Smell Good plumber.
You tell me how much to unclog my drain?
$99. Doesn't matter if it's a kitchen sink or a mainline sewer stoppage. The Smell Good plumbers at Mike Diamond will unclog all the $99. There are a few exceptions, but you can read all about them on our website, smellgoodplumber.com.
Contact your license number.
If you have rats in your attic or walls, don't make the mistake of putting out poison or wasting money with a company that charges you monthly to check rat traps. Rat Proof. For a one-time fee, Rodent Stop will identify and seal all rat entry points, trap and remove all rats, sanitize your attic to remove any nasty viruses, and remove and replace all rat nest-infested attic insulation. Rodent Stop is so confident that they can stop your rat and mice problems that they provide a lifetime guarantee. Read all the 5-star reviews on Yelp. If you have rats or mice in your house or business, call Rodent Stop at 800-290-5343. 800-290-5343. We provide fast, friendly, and effective rodent control solutions throughout Southern California. Plus, our technicians are clean, friendly, and always on time. To stop the rodents, call Rodent Stop. 800-290-5343. Open 24 hours. Call 800-290-5343.
What's up, everybody? Guess who's hosting a new podcast? No Mercy with Stephen A. Smith. Listen as I pull back the curtain on everything beyond the world of sports. Interviewing influential guests, outspoken celebrities, and thought leaders across the political, financial, and social spectrum. You know me. I'll give you my unbiased opinion. A No Mercy episode drops every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. No Mercy with studio. Available on the Odyssey app or wherever you listen to your podcast.
This is Jacob Emrani. If you've been in a truck accident, call 844-24-JACOB.
It is 12:24. A convicted child molester has been ordered by a Los Angeles jury to pay more than $28 million to his victim and her parents. Luther Johns pleaded no contest to sexually touching a 6-year-old neighbor back in 2018. He served a year in jail. But prosecutors said when he was released, he contacted the girl again and harassed her and her family. $15 million of the jury award will go to the girl, who's now 11. Her lawyers say she suffers from post-traumatic stress disorder. We've all seen the ads, both for and against Props 26 and 27, for competing ballot measures that would legalize sports betting in California. Well, it doesn't appear that they're all that effective. The UC Berkeley poll shows both could be headed for defeat next month. Sam Hauser is a political science professor at UC San Diego. He tells KNX that California is more conservative than other states when it comes to gambling.
California really took a long time to embrace Las Vegas-style gaming and only did so in a very limited context, right? At tribal casinos. And part of that was really a deal where California said, hey, we're going to open this up, but it's going to be something that's going to benefit the tribe.
$400 million on that for the competing ballot measures, but Hauser says all the ads are likely turning off the voters. So a lot of confusion involved in all of that. Coming up at the bottom of the hour, we're talking the eviction moratorium coming over there around 12:25. Traffic and weather together every 8-10 minutes on the 5. Here's Sunny Side.
We have a crash. This is in the Toluca Lake area on the 134 heading westbound. This is a pickup truck overturned on its side. So we've got, looks like the Lankershim off-ramp, they're going to block that off for the time being. That's right where that vehicle overturned. So it looks like the main line not causing too much delay at all as you pass through that area. 5 north at Van Nuys Boulevard, we've got a crash blocking the middle lane. It was a 2-car crash. It looks like one of those vehicles had an injured party, so they're sending an ambulance to that location. We've got, that's also being reported on 5 north at Carabel, but I am seeing some slowing as you approach Van Nuys Boulevard. So we'll keep you updated on that. And then just ahead of that, we've got a closure of the 5 north connector to the 118. If you're driving downtown, you're going to see a connector close. The southbound 101 to the south 110 is currently shut down. Passing road work in Orange County, the northbound 57 Road along the Boulevard to Lambert Road. Caltrans working in 3 lanes of that. And then we've got some road closed on the southbound 405 starting at Warner. Next report at 12:05 on KNX News 97.1 FM.
Take a look at the weather picture. Well, we are going to be clear this morning, except for a low cloud fog along the coast. That'll be a kind of mammoth thing, but outside of that, sunny and clear later in the morning. Light winds overnight lows in the 50s and 60s, highs in the 70s and 80s, 90s in the Inland Valley. Chino Hills at 66, San Fernando 66, and 66 also in Redondo Beach at 12:27.
The Smell Good Plumbers at Mike Diamond will unclog your drain for $99. Having your stoppage unstopped by these aroma-friendly technicians can save you money, prevent flooding inside your home, and remove all unnecessary worry from your life. Your drain will drain more efficiently, your pipes will flow smoother, and your faith in mankind will be restored. This $99 unstopped rate applies to kitchen sinks, mainline sewer stoppages, and all 5 coronary arteries. Schedule an appointment today, and your Mike Diamond plumber will show up on time, act professional, and smell better than a new car wrapped in bacon. Be able to get back to life sooner, focus on things that really matter, and avoid the unsanitary atrocities of Bubba the Butt Crack Plumber. No Bubba's here, ma'am. Got a clogged drain? Reference the $99 stoppage page at thesmellgoodplumber.com and call 800-446-MIKE. Contractor license number 399-970.
This is Mike Diamond, and I guarantee my plumber will show up on time and smell good, or your house call is free.
It's time to get out and get dirty. Toy hauler season is officially open. Bring your toys along for less now through October 16th. Mike Thompson's RV. Revved up discounts across a huge inventory. Race on in today. These deals won't last.
Seriously, Mike's dealership just fixed the transmission.
We all know how easy it can be to go to the wrong place for transmission repair. Made up of over 800 pieces, the transmission is a complex part of your car. So bring it to the transmission experts at AMCO. AMCO, always the right fix. AA, MCO. Special financing available. Restrictions, limitations, and exclusions may apply. See amco.com for complete details.
The roar of our